In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll have the HubSpot sales add-in set up inside Outlook so you can log emails, track opens, and streamline your workflows without leaving your inbox. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Microsoft.com. This is the quickest path to the Outlook web experience and the built-in add-ins catalog. Once the page loads, look for the All Microsoft option. This opens the full list of Microsoft products and services, which makes it easy to jump right into Outlook. Click Outlook and you'll be taken to the Outlook sign-in page. Go ahead and click Sign In, then enter your usual Microsoft account credentials. Make sure you're signing into the account where you want the add-in available. If you manage multiple mailboxes, it's helpful to double-check you're in the correct one before installing anything. After you're in Outlook, click New Mail. We're opening a fresh message because the option we need appears in the Compose window. In the New Message toolbar, click Insert. This tab contains tools that let you add extra functionality to your email. Now click Apps. This is where Outlook groups the integrations that enhance your Compose experience. From there, select Get Add-ins. This opens the add-in store, which is where we'll find HubSpot. In the search bar, type HubSpot Sales. You're looking for the official add-in from HubSpot. It's commonly labeled HubSpot Sales and includes features like email logging and tracking. Once you see it, click Add. Outlook will handle the installation in the background, and it usually completes in just a few seconds. If prompted, review any permissions so the add-in can function correctly within your mailbox. That's it, the integration is now in place. The next time you compose a message, you'll see the HubSpot icon or panel in your Compose window. From there, you can log emails to HubSpot and enable tracking, helping your sales and marketing efforts stay organized. If you don't see the add-in immediately, refresh your browser or open a new message. It often appears right after a reload. To recap, we went to Microsoft.com, navigated to Outlook, signed in, opened a new message, went to Insert, then Apps, opened Get Add-ins, searched for HubSpot Sales, and clicked Add. With those clicks, you've connected Outlook to HubSpot using the official add-in. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.